Hello, Alan. My name is Bryce. Just wanted to record a really quick video and give you some actionable advice that you could apply to get your website ranking a lot higher and get more customers coming in through the door, calling for your services, and building and expanding your business. So, really quick, I just wanted to go over your website first. It looks really nice. I actually like how you built it. The main thing I really like about it is that it's super simple. They have the get quote right in the front and the call now button really prominent. That's really good. A lot of websites I've been working on for people, they don't have those kind of action buttons all over. But you've done a good job with that because that's the main thing you want on your website. You want people to come to it and you want them to call you and get quotes so that they become customers. So that's good. The things that you might want to improve on is increasing your content. So it doesn't look like you have very many words. I counted it was around 500 words on their total. So that's about half or maybe a third of what you'd ideally want. Google usually looks for 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage. And in those words, it's going to be reading those words and ranking you depending on what keywords you have in your content. And so let me go over that really quick. So what is a keyword? A keyword is anything you search on Google. So if I'm searching, if I want a Phoenix pool cleaning, I want my pool cleaned, so I type this in. So that's a keyword. Somebody is searching that. And so whoever is first has their website optimized. They have Phoenix pool cleaning somewhere in their website, usually 2 or 3 times. That's how Google knows that it's relevant to that search and it will rank it higher. And so having those kind of keywords on your website is really, really important. And so right now I checked what you're ranking for, and it looks like you're only ranking for that one keyword. So you don't have any organic traffic at all. Nobody's finding you on the web, which isn't good. You want to be able to use your website how it was intended and have people find you that don't know you already. So there's a lot of things you can do, and I'll just go over a couple of them real quick for you right now. Right now, the only keyword that you're going for, or that you're ranking for, is Allen's Pools, and you're currently ranked number 9 out of 58 people ranking for that word. And so that's not that good. So you're getting 0 traffic from that keyword. Let's compare that to a couple of your website competitors. So Pool Daddy AZ. These guys have invested a decent amount into their marketing. They have a lot of backlinks, which I can go over a little bit later. And they have almost 500 people visit their website every month. So that will, turn into a lot of new customers if they have their website optimized to convert them into customers, which I assume they do. Didn't really check out their website too much for that. But so we can look at what kind of keywords they have on their site and get those kind of ideas to put in our own website. So of course, the very top, they have their own brand, Bullfrog, which you could put in your website as well. Just if you were to put somebody else's competitor's name on your website, you could say maybe like, oh, we're right next to this place or something like that. Or you could save an image as a keyword. That's a really easy way to get more keywords onto your website because the people don't see it. And so I could say bullfrog pools or something like that, so that when somebody searches for bullfrog pools, they'll show up first and then we'll show up right under them so they can see, oh, there's another option, Alan's Pool Catering. If you want to go for those kind of those kind of keywords. So yeah, let's go back. They have quite a few that you could kind of steal from them. I actually made a list already for you. I was just looking at a couple of the different competitors around the area, Bullfrog as well as Pool Daddy, and made a list. So usually what I do is I'll try and keep my keywords under 10. So this KD, it means keyword difficulty. It's on a 0 to 100 scale. And so if it's a 0, it means it's super easy to rank. If you just have it a couple of times and you have a decently trusted website by Google with a couple of backlinks and some good content, then you'll rank for it. So everything that has 0 is really easy to rank. If it has closer to 50 or 40 or 30, then you have to put a lot of money and time and backlinks into ranking your website. And so right now I just did 0 to 6 is what I was looking for. And so I got quite a few higher volume, this is the volume, this is the keyword difficulty, buyer intent keywords. So when people are searching for this, they're searching for a company that they can use for those services. And so if putting these kind of keywords on your website, in your content, or under the pictures would help you rank a lot higher for these kind of services. So swimming pool maintenance services, that one's a 10. So I only put 2 or 3 10s. Most of them I tried to keep at 0 to 5 whenever possible, so that you can rank a lot faster on them. And the best kind of keywords are keywords that have a area specific word. So Phoenix or surprise or Peoria or Arizona even, or Glendale, because if you're trying to rank for just pool cleaning, pool cleaning is a national keyword. So somebody in New York searches pool cleaning, and then if you have it a bunch of times on your site, maybe your site will rank for it. And that's not what you're going for. So when you're able to rank locally instead of nationally as a service, that's a lot better. Plus, it's a lot easier. This is a 24 keyword, and it costs more to advertise for, and it's a lot more difficult, although it does have higher volume. But there's no point in getting that volume because they're not area specific. So when you're able to get those area specific keywords, because they're easier to rank for, and they're a lot better because they'll be your customers that are searching for them. And so what I would do if I were you, I would build some more pages. Usually I try to have 3 or 4 service pages on each website. So maybe have one that's dedicated just to pool cleaning, one that's like deep pool cleaning with acid or chemical cleaning, or one that's repairs, or whatever your main services are, and have a thing in the menu that explains the services with content and these keywords inside that content, so that each one of those can rank. Usually I try to have, I'll try to have like 500 words on each service page, and then have maybe 5 to 7 keywords ranking on that page that are related to that topic. And then the home page, because you usually try to have around 1,000 to 1,500 words, you can try to get 10 to 15 keywords ranking from your home page. Usually I try to go for like 1 keyword for every 100 words that I have on the site. So having those extra pages would also be really, really helpful. Another thing that you can do is have our locations, and then you could put our locations, and then you could have a separate page for each one of the locations that you're specifically targeting, like Glendale or Scottsdale or whatever. And then you'd have a bunch of keywords that are specific to that area, and it'd be like another home page except for only to that location. And so I was working on a plumber website earlier, and he's also targeting all of Phoenix, but because Plumbing Phoenix is so competitive, we were able to go for Plumbing Mesa, Plumbing Gilbert, Plumbing Tempe, Plumbing Chandler, all those other things, and get a ton of traffic just for that through those little service pages that are local to different area specific pages. So I would make like a drop down bar, like our locations, and then have a bunch of different locations listed with different pages. So those are some things that you could build into your website to get a lot more traffic and a lot more keywords. That's the first thing I wanted to recommend. The next thing is the Google My Business. Sorry if I'm kind of long-winded, there's a lot to explain. So Google My Business is this thing. It's the map pack. When you search for something, the first thing that comes up is the ads. Right after that is the map pack. And so in this one, Phoenix Pool Cleaning, I looked it up earlier. You are on the 4th page, and number 13 or 14, I thought. I don't see it this time. But either way, the 4th, maybe pool cleaning Phoenix. It matters the spelling and word order and everything, because it's a different keyword. There you are. Yep, 4th page. So you have some decent reviews, which is good. That's something that will help you rank really well on the map pack. But getting more reviews and filling this out completely. So having optimized photos. Right now your photos, they're a little bit too big. The perfect size is 750 by 750 pixels. It's a square. It looks the best on Google and will rank you higher. That way there's no like images that are cut off like this. That you can also save those images as keywords, have a nice description that has a lot of keywords in it, getting reviews, and the other thing is citations. So a citation is anything that has a business list, like Yellow Pages and Angie's List, Home Advisor, all those really popular citations. So you can get hundreds of these, and they'll help rank your website as well as rank your Google My Business. It's a super easy way to rank higher. And so what I did right now is I took the #1 person from Pool Cleaning Phoenix that was ranking on the citations, and I put them in this tool. It's called Whitespark. It allows you to search other companies' citations. So we could go through these and copy all of them and put your business in each one of these lists. So you'd also be able to rank with them. And so that it's time consuming and it's tedious, but it's definitely doable. You just have to make a list on each one of these. And I could do that for you really easily. My virtual assistant is pretty good at them. Usually can knock out 40 or 50 of them in a day because he's been doing it for so long. But yeah, that's the next thing. So citations, getting your Google My Business ranking, that's super powerful. You'll get a lot more traffic from that. The other thing that I'll just show you really quick, if you have a marketer that's working with you already, it's called backlinks. So I don't really want to go too long into this, but backlinks are pretty much a popularity contest on the internet. It's other websites linking back to your websites, which tells Google that your website is trustworthy. So what I would do is I'd go to your competition and see what backlinks they have and go through and try to get those exact same links. They take a long time. Sometimes you have to write a blog for them or comment on their blogs or write articles for them to get those backlinks. But having those backlinks that are related to your niche about pool service and stuff will really help your website be seen as trustworthy by Google, and it will rank it higher on all of your keywords. So that's a couple of things you can do. You can try to work on especially getting the content up and getting more keywords. I can send you this list if you'd like, if you want to start trying to do it on your own, or if you'd like to work with me, I could easily help optimize your current website or build you a newer, more complete website as well. And also, if you're interested in maybe doing Facebook ads or pay-per-click ads, making these kind of funnels, and advertising on Facebook is a fairly simple and high return method as well. If you're really hurting for business right now, if you want an immediate return on investment, that's what I'd usually recommend doing, building a funnel and pushing traffic to it through pay-per-click ads or Facebook ads. But if you're okay with a long-term investment, getting your own business website ranking a lot higher, that will continue to give you returns for years to come. But yeah, let me know. My number is 602-733-7572, and I can give you some more advice or talk to you. Love to get on a call with you and see kind of what your vision is for your business. Thanks.